Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ridwan Oseni, and I am here today to present to you my Better Face project. The name of my web application is Chattech Messenger, and it falls under the lifestyle category. The technology I used for the front end includes Bootstrap, CSS, and Vue.js. For the back end, I used Laravel, where I implemented Laravel Echo to create a new event, and I used Pusher as the broadcaster of my event. For the database, I used MySQL, and for the database administrative tool, I used ADSQL. For the purpose and objective of this project will be reflecting some of the variety of creative and strategic work taking place within the messaging space. Chatting over the internet is practically free, as we all know, and it does not burden us financially, especially in a period like this global pandemic. So some of the objectives of the project is to facilitate one-on-one chatting, group chatting option, and a computer game. So to show the functionalities of my application, I'll need to register a new user. So I am registering Peace as my new user with her email address and a password of 8 or more characters, and she has a profile image. So when I click on register, I get directed to the chat application. Here I have the chat header component. Here I have the chat contact list component. These are the list of all registered users except the logged in user. Here I have the message feed component where I have all my messages displayed, and here I have the message input component where I can type and send my messages. So now to show the real-time functionality of my chat application, I will need to log in a registered user. So I want to log in Kunle, who is a registered user, so he can communicate with Peace. When I come here, I have at the top of my contact list a contact who only has unread messages from. Here he has 7 unread messages from Kenya, and he has 1 unread message from Ruben. So when I click on this, automatically on my chat feeder component, it gets scrolled to the last message that was being exchanged between the 2 users. Another thing is, when I click on any user here, the user gets pushed to the top of the list. And also, I can search for a contact. Let me assume I want to search for person. So when I click on person, it gets selected, and I can clear to have the contact list, the full list of the contact list components. So now I want to interact between Kunle and Peace. So I need to search for Peace and send a message to Peace to see if she'll receive my message. Hi, Peace. Okay. And here we can see that Peace received the message from Kunle. So Peace is going to reply Kunle. Hello, Kunle. Okay, let's check if Kunle received the message. And here we can see that Kunle received the message from Peace. Lest I forget, whenever I click on a contact, or whenever I'm communicating with the contact, I can see the contact name that is being displayed here with their profile image. So on my chat header component, I have the group chat option, which is not functional yet, and I have the game. When I click on this game, I can start a new game, attack the monster, give the monster a special attack, then heal, and I can also give up the game. So for the future functionalities of this web app, I would like to have a user profile page, so the users can have control of their profile and they can decide to delete their profile. I would like to have the admin profile page. I would like to implement the dark mode toggle button to make it functional, and implement the video and voice call option, and also make the group chat functional. Thank you.